Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
Kat and I really appreciate all our loyal followers, and I apologize that it's been over 2 weeks since the last video. After the busy growing season, you probably think we've been relaxing on a tropical beach. Nope. Instead, we've been quite busy with work projects, and tomorrow we'll be departing to visit our families over Thanksgiving. So I wanted to record a quick video and give you a sneak peek at some of the in-progress yet uncompleted episodes we've been working on. Greenjoy recently sent us their new indoor grow box, and we'll be doing an in-depth review and demonstration of this very innovative all-in-one hydroponic growing system. But there's no reason to wait for my review if you'd like to check out this kit. I'll provide an Amazon affiliate link in the video description, plus a coupon code that will give you 30% off the purchase price. Speaking of hydroponics, people have been asking what's going on with the AeroGarden. I hate to admit that I haven't been giving it a lot of attention lately outside of watering and adding nutrients. Only one plant remains today, the mighty Mota Friday, which I let grow and grow until its branches touch the unit's light panel, even at its maximum vertical extension. It has been flowering and bearing fruit, and I'll tell you more in an upcoming AeroGarden episode. We just made 2 new batches of hot sauce. One is our classic 11 sauce with mixed super hots, while the other is a slightly milder, all habanero version we're calling 10.5. You'll be able to watch us make and bottle them from start to finish. I'm in the process of writing a new song for this episode, which will premiere sometime next month. Now I'm excited to talk about our new embroidered beanies and hats. There have been a lot of requests for these, and they're finally here. They're so new that I don't even have any samples yet. They come in 4 styles with a few color choices and are available in 2 designs, the full 7 Pot Club logo or the name only. You'll find the link to purchase this headgear plus all our other merch at 7pot.club/merch. Another new product we're working on is a high-quality art poster with beautiful photos of every variety we grew in 2019. It's been a very time-consuming task shooting, selecting, color correcting, retouching, and outlining all the photos, but we're almost done. The poster will be 24 by 36 inches on archival quality, acid-free paper and can be purchased framed or unframed. The Hot Pepper Grow List poster will be available early next month in time for Christmas delivery, and of course, we'll let you know when it launches. Again, sorry for the delay in releasing new videos, and I hope you return to watch these new episodes as they're launched in the upcoming weeks. Happy Thanksgiving to all our viewers in the USA. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell to receive a notification each time we post a new episode. Check out all our 7 Pot Club and hot pepper related merchandise at 7pot.club/merch. And for even more 7 Pot Club, follow our daily exploits on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob.